guys, welcome back to our
My
channel.
channel.
Hi. So, in this video, we are just want to share with you na we are going to say bye-bye na sa aming old refrigerator because today we have our new refrigerator delivery. Yay! Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, in today's video, we are going to share with you about dito sa aming refrigerator. So, this one, it has broken down already. So, papalitan na namin siya kasi nasira na nga. And today, we are expecting our new refrigerator delivery. Yay! We're excited and can't wait because it's been a week and a half we've been waiting for scheduled delivery. Ang tagal guys. So, tiis-tiis lang muna kami sa cooler. Doon namin nilalagay yung aming mga need na i-refrigerate na pagkain. Pero hindi naman kami bumili masyado kasi nga ayun, masisira lang naman. So, ayun na nga guys. We're still waiting na ma-deliver yung new refrigerator namin. Pero, until now, wala pa rin sila. Akala ko ba American time? Ay, so, we're scheduled 3 to 7 p.m. Share ko lang sa inyo. So, due to this pandemic, maraming shipping and orders ang naantala. And, ito nga, yung new refrigerator namin na in-order, it's been a week and a half. So, in-order namin siya last October 10. And, until now, waiting pa rin kami na i-deliver ito. So, we're scheduled today. And, sana nga ma-deliver kasi nga, we've been waiting for it. So, yung mga products na nasa store, very, talaga sila. Some store are out of stock or kung mayroon man, very limited stocks lang meron sila. So, yung refrigerator namin na in-order, wala doon sa store nung pumunta kami. So, that's why we have to wait this long for it. Aww. And I'm so glad na because na antala rin yung pag-aantay namin, I'm so thankful na they give us extra discount. So, employee discount yun for my husband. Plus, dahil nga sa naantala yung aming pag-aantay, nagbigay pa sila ng additional 20. So, very thankful tayo. So, finally, the delivery drivers are now on their way. And we are excited.
And a new fridge.
Yay!
Shane got to pick out a fridge. She doesn't know it yet, but this is her Christmas present.
Oh, no! Where we really need it. So, it's not really a...
I just teased you.
It's not a gift. So, I'll show you guys once they arrive.
A few moments later.
Alright, here comes the Lowe's delivery that we've been waiting. To the old one. Refrigerator. It's almost as big as the other one, except this has two doors, so top freezer and refrigerator on the bottom.
The next day.
Today, we are going to fill in the refrigerator. So, mamimili kami and we're going to do shopping. And I already got the list. So, pupunuin namin yung refrigerator ng mga pagkain or mga bagay-bagay lang na kailangan namin. So, hindi talaga yung all-out na bili ng kung ano-ano. So, yan. Kasama ko ang aking husband and si Hailey. So, see you there at the store. Center para mamili ng mga foods na kailangan. We're going to Walmart like always. Halika na. Hurry up. Let's get my little girl. Hey guys, it's pretty busy and it's only 11:30 in the morning. It's a madhouse. So guess what they're happening here pretty much. Go ahead and grab it for me, please. Ta-da! Yeah, my husband needs it for work in the morning. And this is what pretty much we have so far from the list. Okay.
Checking out at the Walmart.
That down.
This in here for now.
What are you doing?
I'll get my ID. So, ito na guys, ang napamili namin na ilalagay namin sa loob ng refrigerator. So, we spent there, if you can see, we spent $125.29 for all of these. So, I made a list too. So, I'll show it to you. No. So, you can tell them what it. So, those are the frozen dinners that we're going to put in the freezer.
We got our Folgers classic roast coffee.
Yeah, that don't go to the refrigerator, of course. So, but we have milk.
Whole milk. Box of frozen pizzas. 2 sweet and sour chicken banquet meals.
Yeah.
Turkey meal. 2 turkey meals and 2 fried chicken meals.
Yep.
Tomatoes, broccoli, onions, strawberries, pickles, jalapeno peppers, mayonnaise, ketchup, frozen hamburgers, hot dogs, yogurt, eggs. What's this right here, baby?
Pork.
Bacon, cheese, and eggs, and sliced sandwich.
Yeah.
And as if our refrigerator going down wasn't enough, we also had to replace our coffee pot.
Yep.
We got the Mr. Coffee. Brews 21. I love you too, my friend. Set the timer so we don't have to get up and make it.
Good. Good. Hopefully that's a good choice.
Hopefully it works.
Yep. Here you go, guys. We're home and we already done doing all the shopping. And we're about to fill our
New refrigerator. It's a Samsung. And we're going to be filling it.
Yep.
Because we had to throw everything out when our refrigerator went bad.
Yep. So now I still have to, assemble all these.
That means it's losing coolness. It's normal for it to do that.
Yeah. kung mailagay yung mga ano niya, shelves niya sa gilid. So yan ang itsura niya sa loob pag wala pang laman. So yan yung refrigerator on the bottom. And the top is the freezer. So yan na rin yung nalagay ko na yung shelves niya. So it's making that noise kapag naka-open yung mga doors niya. So malamig na masyado yung freezer because it's been already like 15 hours since this was delivered. So now, pupunuin na namin itong refrigerator. At lalagyan na namin ng mga laman. So here you go. Itutur ko kayo what's inside our new refrigerator. So here, yung mga pickles, ketchup, yung Filipino sauces ko na Mang Tomas at yung sweet chili sauce. Tapos meron kami dyang yogurt ni Hailey, butters, and milk. Yung jalapeno peppers, mayonnaise, and pickles. So dito naman, yung lalagyan ng vegetables. So may broccoli ako, tomatoes, and then strawberries, and these are grapes. No, onions don't go in the refrigerator unless we cut them. Yep. So magsisinigang ako guys, kaya nandito lang yan siya. So ito yung aking pork shoulder for my sinigang. So may bok choy. So maulan sa labas and malamig. So yan, eggs, cheese, and then yung leftover na spam breads. So this slide and reach pantry has cheese dogs. Yep. So yan yung lunch meat ni hubby for his sandwiches. So we have corned beef, ham, and all that. So also we have here yung bacon. Alright, so ayun na si Hailey, makulit na dyan. Can you close the door please? We're gonna go open the top freezer for them to see it. Alright. Yan, it's telling us to close the door now. Thank you. Oops. Oops, oops. Okay, so on our freezer, ito lang muna ang laman. So meron kaming frozen pizzas, and then pure beef burgers. So yan, American style burgers. My husband loves burgers. So mayroon rin kaming frozen dinners. Mayroong chicken fried meal, sweet and sour chicken, and then turkey. So perfect yan sa bottom freezer niya dito sa taas. Ayan, yan lang muna ang laman ng aming freezer sa ngayon since bago lang naman ito. Ayun guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, ring the notifications bell, and don't forget to leave us a thumbs up.
Thank you guys. Have a great day from the United States. Bye bye.